Every year, from 1st to 7th February, the world observes World Interfaith Harmony Week. It is an initiative that promotes peace, mutual respect, and understanding among people of different religions and beliefs. The idea behind World Interfaith Harmony Week is simple but powerful. It encourages people to focus on shared values such as compassion, respect, and coexistence rather than differences in faith or belief. This week was proposed in 2010 by King Abdullah II of Jordan and was unanimously adopted by the United Nations General Assembly. Since then, the first week of February has been dedicated to strengthening interfaith dialogue and harmony across the globe. World Interfaith Harmony Week recognizes that religion plays an important role on the lives of millions of people and promotes it as a bridge for peace and understanding. In Pakistan, interfaith harmony has a special meaning because the country was founded on the principle of respect for people of all beliefs. These principles reflect the vision of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who emphasized tolerance, unity, and harmony as the foundation of the nation. The Constitution of Pakistan provides the legal foundation for freedom of religion and equal rights for all citizens. Article 20 guarantees that every citizen has the freedom to profess, practice, and propagate their religion, and that every religious denomination has the right to manage its own institutions. Article 25 ensures that all citizens are equal before the law and that there shall be no discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, or belief. Article 36 requires the state to safeguard the legitimate rights and interests of minorities, and Article 22 and 26 provide additional protections such as non-discrimination in education and access to public places. Another constitutional feature supporting inclusion is reserved legislative seats for non-Muslims. The National Assembly has 10 seats set aside for non-Muslims, and seats are also provided in each provincial assembly. These seats are filled through a system of proportional representation, where political parties nominate candidates based on the number of general seats they win. The Senate also includes 4 seats reserved for non-Muslims, one from each province. These provisions ensure that diverse voices are represented in Pakistan's national and provincial legislatures. In 2025, the Parliament passed the National Commission for Minorities' Rights Act, establishing a statutory commission to promote and protect the right of religious minorities. The Commission is responsible for monitoring the implementation of constitutional guarantees, reviewing related policies, and advising the government on measures to prevent discrimination and support equal treatment. There is also a National Interfaith Harmony Policy which recommends strengthened protections and institutional support to promote peace and harmony among different faith communities. Together, these form a legal framework supporting religious freedom, equality, and representation for all in Pakistan. In today's world, where conflicts and intolerance continue to exist, interfaith harmony is more important than ever. When people learn about each other's beliefs with openness and respect, it helps build more inclusive and peaceful societies. World Interfaith Harmony Week reminds us that despite our differences, we share a common humanity. By choosing understanding over prejudice and cooperation over conflict, we can contribute to a more peaceful world, not just during this week, but every day.